I'm here with Mr. Brad O'Farrell of the Keyboard Cat fame, which is a new meme that just kind of came out of nowhere, and he's the originator. He's the one that did it. He tracked down the owner of the original footage and came up with the idea for Play Him Off Keyboard Cat. What exactly is Keyboard Cat? Break it down for me. There's a cat, and there's a keyboard, and what happens?
He plays somebody off. Basically, it's like a fail video, but then person fails, the cat will play the keyboard, and it sort of highlights the absurdity of the video, and it replays the video sometimes. And it's kind of like Rickrolling, except you know it's coming because the titles are always Play 'em Off Keyboard Cat, but it's still funny somehow, even though it's like extremely predictable. It's almost like the joke is how predictable it is.
Why do you think people liked Keyboard Cat so much?
I think the original video is really funny, and the original video made by Charlie Schmidt was actually filmed in like the 80s, and the cat's dead now. But it's wearing a onesie, and somebody has his hands behind the cat, and he's making him play a keyboard.
Is he a fun guy?
Yeah, I actually recently looked at his YouTube channel. He's has like all these weird videos. Like the video of a cat playing a keyboard is not the weirdest video he has. He's a professional nose model or something. Like, yeah, there's a video of his nose moves like this, and there's like commercials he's made.
So you started this meme, you kind of kicked it off. Do you think that your experience working at My Damn Channel helped that out?
The video itself, I mean, it's just like a cat and somebody getting hurt. Those are two things everyone loves on the internet. But it probably took some expertise, I guess, to not get the video taken down and to get it promoted to the point where it would get parodied. So I guess, yeah, that did help. I guess if I couldn't do that, it probably wouldn't have went anywhere. And now there was 900 last time I checked, which is like yesterday.
900 different versions?
900 different versions made by different people right now.
CNN picked up on the story, but they didn't credit you.
This kind of keyboard meets this kind of keyboard. To produce the latest web sensation, the Keyboard Cat has become a recurring theme.
How did you feel about that?
I didn't really mind that much, actually. I'm glad that they credited Charlie Schmidt for making it, because he made the video. I was happy that there was a story on CNN and I didn't have to do any effort, but I could still claim it.
Have there been any other mass media articles or reports about it?
Yeah, there was a Time.com article where they contacted the person who runs PlayEmOffKeyboardCat.com, which is a Tumblr that collects videos people have made. And there was Urlesque podcast and several articles and I was on their podcast.
Well, we have a special guest today, don't we?
Yeah.
Well, you're the special guest, but then we have an extra special guest.
Yeah.
And he's running around down the hall.
I'll go try to get him.
So, have you been approached by any record labels? Any of those? Sony? No way. High five. High five.